My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the Bachelor of Commerce 4th semester subject Web Technologies as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 4, the important short question is: 1. What are events in web technologies? Events are actions that happen on a web page. When you click, move your mouse, type something, or load a page, an event happens. Web developers can write code to say, if this event happens, do this. Simple example. If you click a button on a website to show a message, that's a click event. Button on click is equal to alert, Namaste. Click me button. When you click the button, the alert says Namaste. That's an event in action. Easy to remember tip. Event is equal to something happens plus some response. Like. Click is equal to show message. Type is equal to check spelling. Page loads is equal to show welcome. Events make websites interactive and smart, like a friend who reacts when you talk. Next important short question is: 2. What is an event handler? An event handler is a piece of code that handles, responds to, an event on a web page. It tells the website what to do when something happens, like a click or a key press. Think of it like a cook in a restaurant. Customer rings bell, event, cook starts cooking, event handler. Simple example. Button on click is equal to say hello, click me button. Script. Function say hello. Alert, hello, friend. Script. Here, on click is the event and say hello is the event handler. When you click the button, the function runs and shows the message. Easy to remember tip. Event is equal to what happens. Handler is equal to what to do. Tap is equal to play music. Click is equal to show message. Type is equal to search words. Event handlers make websites lively, they listen and respond to users like smart assistants. Next, Unit 4, important long questions. First important long question is: 1. What is event? Explain the mouse events. What is an event in web technologies? In web development, an event is an action or activity that happens on a web page. It can be done by the user, like clicking a button, or by the browser, like loading a page. Simple definition. An event is something that happens on a web page, and we can write code to respond to it. Events make websites interactive, just like a mobile app responds when you tap or swipe. Mouse events explained simply. Mouse events are actions that happen using a mouse. These are very common and useful to make websites interactive. 1. On click. Happens when you click on an element. Button on click is equal to alert, you clicked me. Click me button. When you click the button, it shows a message. 2. On click. Happens when you double click on an element. P on click is equal to alert, double clicked. Double click here P. It shows a message when you double click the text. 3. On mouse over. Happens when your mouse pointer moves over an element. P on mouse over is equal to this dot style dot color is equal to red hover over me P. Text turns red when mouse moves over it. 4. On mouse out. Happens when the mouse leaves the element. P on mouse out is equal to this dot style dot color is equal to black, move mouse away P. Text turns black when mouse goes away. 5. On mouse down and on mouse up. On mouse down, when mouse button is pressed down. On mouse up, when mouse button is released. Button on mouse down is equal to alert, mouse down, press button. Easy trick to remember. Click is equal to on click. Double click is equal to on click. Hover in is equal to on mouse over. Hover out is equal to on mouse out. Press mouse is equal to on mouse down. Release mouse is equal to on mouse up. Mouse events help websites feel alive and respond like a smart friend. Next important long question is: to list and explain keyboard events. What are keyboard events? Keyboard events happen when the user presses or releases keys on the keyboard. These events are super helpful for making forms, games, search bars, and more interactive features. Simple definition. Keyboard events let the website know when a key is pressed or released, so it can respond with some action. Types of keyboard events. 1. On key down. This event happens when a key is pressed down. Input on key down is equal to alert, key is pressed, placeholder is equal to type here. Shows a message as soon as any key is pressed. 2. On key press. This event happens when a printable key is pressed, like AZ, 0 to 9, etc. Note, it's less commonly used now. Input on key press is equal to alert, key is being typed, placeholder is equal to type here. Used when typing characters. 3. One key up. This event happens when a key is released after being pressed. Input one key up is equal to alert, key released, placeholder is equal to type here. Shows a message after you lift your finger from the key. Easy trick to remember. Key down is equal to pressing a key down. Key press is equal to key is being typed, older method. Key up is equal to lifting the key up. Fun example. Input one key up is equal to check text, this.value, placeholder is equal to type something. Script. Function check text, value. If value is equal to hello. Alert, namaste. Script. This code says namaste when the user types hello and lifts the key. Why it's cool? Keyboard events make websites smart and responsive, like searching as you type, form validation, or playing games with keyboard keys. So remember, keyboard events are like signals from your fingers to the website. I hope you understand easily each question. All the best, students, for your upcoming exam. For other subject quick revision. Important questions. Previous question papers. And syllabus. Links are available in description. Check out once. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video with your friends.